What's good, everybody? It's Slime. And me and my brother are back testing today. We're doing like a Zero to Hero series. Basically, what that entails is we're going to show our back testing, how we trade, what we trade, when we trade, the emotions, the ups, the downs, all that good stuff. I'm going to be recording our trades, whatever. In this video that you're about to watch, we're going to be back testing today. We went as far back as April 1st and we backtest. We're gonna do 100 trades, 25 each pair. So 30 NAS, maybe SPX, oil, whatever. But we're gonna figure out the pairs as we go. Right now what you're gonna see is we're gonna do oil. We're doing gold. This is sort of like a hardcore mode. We're not going to the higher time frames. We rarely did. We did like 2, 3 times. But realistically, we're just marking out highs, lows, and we're trying to see where we know where the strategy lies because the strategy is good, but we're trying to see what benefits the strategy. You feel me? As in waiting for better entries, waiting for better confirmations, waiting for break of structures, stuff like that. Everything that we need to make this strategy better. Feel me? So there's gonna be some good, some bad, some ugly trades that we take. Just bear with us, you feel me? But without further ado, I give you Zero to Hero Gold 25 trades.
Order filled.
A new tree. Okay. Go
See that
back.
shit? You see that shit?
Stop filled.
Do it
Shit,
again.
that shit went up to 38 and then fucking,
Uh, turn around.
yeah.
I was sending an email. Hold on. Let me move this to the big screen. I like this three screen shit. Shit, fresh.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. What a that's a so we buy automatically from there.
I wouldn't say
Nah.
automatically. I'm gonna slow it down here.
Because that sell pressure is just so vicious, but it has to pull back up. But it has to pull back up. That should drop down to your line.
Almost.
Yeah, that sell pressure was vicious.
Order filled.
Yeah, nah. What are y'all doing? Oh, it's gonna fuck around.
Damn. We fucking around because I ain't let it break this top. It should, in this area, should go in this area. Come on. See, I have 50, but the stop loss is really less than that. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we hit this M. Can we break above?
But the screen's so small, even on a big screen. Oh, full screen. There we go. Did it hit 50 ticks?
No, it went up to like 30.
Stop filled.
Well, see, we lost $30. Strike one.
Oh, this is like the second trade.
You won the first one?
The first one was break even.
Oh, so we down.
I want this area.
It's gonna a sweep is gonna happen. What you looking at? Oh, you looking at that bitch on. Oh,
Yeah, I want this area. I want this area.
Order filled.
You going for a buy?
Of course.
Huh.
Because that's the neckline break of the W on the higher time frame.
Where's the low of the day?
This is the low of the day.
Oh, okay.
See, if I ain't dragged that shit to the 24 and just left it for the 50, I wouldn't have got stopped here.
Mm.
Which is why I normally hold the 50, even though that is our stop. Our stop really be, but that's like a mental stop. Now the goal is for this to reject right here and pull up. Almost got 50 twice, and
This the one right here.
yeah, it follows higher time frames. I'm hoping.
Oh man, that nigga tripping. Dick soft. Dick getting soft. Uh, yeah. It's gotta sweep up all that to go back up. Yeah. That real low was over there at 9:45. That was where the low was at.
It's the first of the month, so
That motherfucker. Uh,
that's why I'm like, damn. When I got in here, I just should have left it down here. This is a worse entry than when I was in here, over here somewhere.
And they emailed me back already? Okay.
Okay, this is the one. Come on. Nope, never mind.
It's looking good though.
Bro, it's just ranging here.
It's more promising.
Come on,
If it don't
WA.
drop no lower from here, it's just gonna keep ranging. But somebody gonna have to get swept. It's either buyers or sellers. Somebody's gonna get swept. And what's the least path of resistance for the who can get swept easier?
Well,
I
we
feel like the sellers will get swept easier. I mean, you got lots of orders that ain't been bought up, but they struggling right now. These buyers are struggling to get to them orders up there.
they are.
But the sellers ain't pushing it nowhere either. Somebody has to get swept. Where's the most money when it comes to the sweep? It'll be a sell. These niggas, huh? Hello, Dominus. Thank you for reaching out. The air message you're encountering on the thing occurred due to several rehearsal and stress. You could follow resolve this issue.
Because I want to know. Okay. It's big time frame W. Look at this fucking range, bro. Oh, I can't switch times, otherwise it's gonna fuck this shit up real quick. Come on, man. What?
What happened?
It was in profit, now it came all the way back down. Don't tell me I'm about to get stopped.
Stop filled.
Yeah, man. I told him somebody gonna get swept. Somebody gotta get swept, bro. And it's looking like the least path of resistance. What happened? Oh. That shit. Did you speed it up?
Yeah, I sped it up a bit.
I know. Makes that slow. That cell pressure is too strong.
Mmm.
Order filled.
You took a buy?
Yeah.
Why is doing that screen taker shit? Oh, yeah.
Okay, we up 30.
Target filled.
Alright, that's one.
The smack?
Yeah, that's TP.
So out of 3 trades,
Hold on, I'm tallying up right now. We got 1 W, 1 break even,
2 L's.
2 L's.
50 ticks, right? Each. No, it was 50 for one,
50
and then you
for
got
one.
another one.
This nigga 5 minutes away. Let me pause this shit real quick. So far, we're only down $140. We were down 380 something. Hold on, I'll be back. Well, call me on my phone real quick. I'm gonna be down there stairs waiting on this nigga.
Alright. That was 5 trades? 1 break even. Mm-hmm. 2 L's. Oh, that's 4 trades. All of them is 5 micros a piece, which is you're trading a funded account. He was down 386. You feel me? Mm-hmm. So if you're down 386, you won 1 trade, you're down 100 and something. Reinstall the NinjaTrader desktop app. Close all running applications. Do not modify the Uninstall via the Windows control panel. I did that. Navigate to program files and delete folder if it exists. I did that. Reboot the PC. Download and reinstall. Did all this. Check Windows firewall antivirus. Ensure your firewall antivirus or backup software is not interfering with NinjaTrader. Add exceptions for NinjaTrader in each program. Navigate to the documents folder. Right click on NinjaTrader. Select properties. Ensure read only and hidden attributes are unchecked. Navigate to the documents folder. Ensure what is read only. Ensure right click on the select properties. Ensure read only and hidden attributes are unchecked.
See, that trade would have made me more than just fucking 50 tickets, which is why I be hot.
You said he would have grabbed your 50 ticks and got out? That one would have hit for more than 50 ticks, because if he would have chased that one, you would have been good. Yeah.
You know what I mean when I say I missed the first couple because I know the direction?
You have chosen to make the following attribute changes. Unset. Read only. When prompted, select apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Okay. Go to the window key. And then say what? Press the Windows key. Search for controlled folder access. Never did none of this shit before. I don't think nobody did this. Everybody got it. Except me. I gotta do this fucking C++ bullshit. It's off. Control folder access. Select control folder access and turn it off if enabled. I'm trying to figure out why the fuck my shit not letting me install any bots. It's not letting me put any add-ons. It's saying unhandled exception. So I emailed these niggas. And I'm just going through the stuff that they told me to go through real quick. See if it works. I want to try Miss Ray's bot, man. She seems like she's having a good time on that shit. Exactly. I don't see nothing wrong with that shit. That sounds good to me. Nah, that's that's what. But I want to at least run it through a.
That's like trading 3 micros on whatever you trade. So if you trade gold, 50 ticks is $50. So you'll lose $150 doing that shit. But you have the possibility to gain a lot more.
Yeah, sound like every day to me.
I'll tell you how money in your account to trade it. So I know about
Tools. Import. Add-on. EMA. Open. Okay. Import failed. Feedback. Did that. This ain't it. I know that ain't it. I wanted to also add that this error occurs with any add-on I try to install or update while OneDrive is configured. Let's reply agent to this email. All right. The message was AI generated. AI responses can contain inaccuracies.
Ooh, what the fuck is that?
What?
I pressed the wrong thing. Alright, 4:20 in the morning. What you doing? You bouncing off here?
Stop OneDrive from impacting the documents folder. Shut down NinjaTrader. Okay, shut down. Hold on, let me focus on what you. I think I'm about to figure this shit out though. Alright. I hate that little bullshit you got going on. Shit, like lying on how many times it tapped. One of them taps not real, right?
I'm thinking it needs to break
'Cause
above this to buy up, but it needs to
I'm
stay
saying like,
above here. See if we can get 50 if it breaks above here. I've seen these plenty times. It's either gonna swoop down and then shoot up, give nobody no chance to enter.
It's gonna trickle its way down. It's just gonna keep swooping potential buyers. But it's fudging around. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:50. Okay. That makes sense. Asia's about to come in and do some dumb shit.
No, this in the morning, so Asia already happened. This is about to be
It's
this
4:50
London.
a.m.
Yeah. It's London session about to be
Oh,
New
so
York.
it didn't even start yet. Already about to. They just been
Right, we was
okay.
trading Asian in London.
Oh, okay. Alright, then let me get some of the drink.
So New York is about to pop off right now.
Oh, man. Lisa. Oh, it's no good. I have 100. Okay, they're gonna sell it. I was saying, them niggas who thought it was gonna, they can't keep buying. They gotta fill those orders. That's too much orders to leave on the table. From here, it's probably just gonna range.
No, that's 5 o'clock. I want down here, but
Ooh.
I'll take this. That's what you see. What I said when I said it's gonna swoop down and then shoot the fuck
swoop
up.
down. Yeah, that's what it do. It's gonna eat up all
I've
those
seen
potential
this before.
buyers.
It's not gonna touch this though, and that's what I hate.
You gotta aim for the middle of that shit. What
Yes.
I call it.
This is
The
the
fair
imbalance
value
right here.
gap.
Well, no, I don't trade that, so I wouldn't know. But this is probably what
That's
Pinky and
what
them.
it.
I'm hoping
That's
this
what it.
comes down and grabs this.
Uh,
If not, then I'll probably take the buy up here. Aim for 50 right here.
if it's trending like that, it has to go for that low. If it's trending like that, it has to come for that low.
We know it want to buy.
There we go. Okay, good. Fucking with people. Bruh. Go, bruh. Just chill.
I can speed it up. Hold on.
Just Neil gotta speed it up. You rush.
No, it's only like a couple seconds. It's only 30 seconds. So the minutes go by faster.
Mm-hmm.
Up until we get a potential setup and then I slow it back down. This me right here. I love this shit. I done traded this a bunch. Really supposed to get in from down here, but since it ain't touch, I ain't know. We break above this green line, I'm finna hit.
Please break above this green line. Stop fucking around. Like, get the high, nigga. Get the high. What the fuck? Go around them. Oh my god. Let's fucking around. Let's fucking around. They ain't coming back. It has no more energy for sales, bro. Stop acting. Y'all don't got enough to make a new load. So you gotta go for the high.
Don't be making no M's here, cause why? Why are you doing that?
They don't have enough energy to sell, bro. They gotta buy. They have to get the quick swoop.
This an inverted head and shoulders, so I like this.
Oh my god. Go get the swoop.
Let it do what it do, man. Watch, it's gonna pull up here, make a clean
Yeah,
W.
go swoop them buyers, man. There you go. Get up there. Get up there. The sellers said what they had to say already. They got nothing to say.
Nigga Kirby like, get the rewards to the buyers, man.
There you go. See? Sell pressure is trash.
Nigga, a whole hour of sitting here?
Yeah.
It's 5:54. We've been sitting here for the whole 4 to 5.
Oh my god. It's okay, so it's making new money. It's making new money right now.
It gotta be doing something, bro, cause why?
Yeah, it's making new money. Everybody's okay with where the price is right now, but somebody got to get swooped for it to get to go in a direction. It looks like
It looks like what?
it's buying. Keep going. Oh my god, that's a big swoop right
There
there.
you go, right there.
Order filled.
Gosh. Oh, you late?
A little bit.
No, this is what you was waiting to get in there.
At the break of the green line, but I'll take this.
Okay.
See, I want this right here, 3170.
See, I would have been going through that headache down there. That's what the problem. See to buy. I'm not.
That's why you see where I put this green line. Anywhere over this was great buys for me.
Oh, okay.
Now let's see.
That's one thing that I've noticed. That's what I be like, the swoop. If it's a range, you gotta come swoop that range. When you swoop that range, it gives you all the momentum.
Hey,
to
so
go
I
in
would have
that
hit 50. Me being greedy. Look, I've been at 50.
It's gonna give you 50. It's on 50 right now.
It hit 50. I pulled it up a little bit.
Oh, see, hold on. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You already unflected up. Let's just see what happens. It's still. Ugh. You put it at. Oh, you put it at break even.
Yeah, because then if it come back down to here to retest, I'll take it again.
Yeah, there's not a.
Stop
We
filled.
don't.
Order
There
filled.
you go. Get back.
I was supposed to get in down here. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah. You supposed to get on that green line. Green line was entry. Green line was entry last time.
One
That shit
break
came
even.
back. It tapped green line and went back up. Green line was entry.
It always like that, man. Bro, I would have won this trade. Fuck.
Even in make believe, dog. This is an L, man.
And
Somebody
this one-
gotta get swoop.
Yeah,
It's
this
gonna
one.
be the swoop coming, man.
I'm
Order
just
It's not
filled.
gonna, it's not gonna kick you out though. Oh, you already backed out.
I backed out
It's
so I
going
could get
right.
in down here. I'm just waiting.
That motherfucker fell down so
Order filled.
fast.
Nigga. I think that's cause
Yeah.
I have it on I had it on 30.
You forgot, bro. Get your 50. You see, that was another 50 ticker.
Yeah, it was. That would have been a dub. Now we down 300.
Yep.
This is
Yes,
an M.
sir.
Damn.
Now look at the pressure it needs to buy back up.
Bro,
That's a lot of pressure. It's easier to sell from here than it is to buy.
Yeah, it could easily sell from here.
It's either that or it's gonna range.
I'm hoping it respects this and at least goes up to them high.
That's a great buy. Look how quick I forgot about that spot. That was a great buy, regardless.
That's why I closed it out. I was like, the green line is still a good buy. Oh my god.
Uh, uh, you know what? Let's pause it real quick. Pause the game.
I think it said pause
Real
the game.
quick. Yeah, we need to FOMO doing this thing right now. Like, just caught myself. All right, look. What we saw from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock for 3 hours, this motherfucker's been trending down.
It ain't been
That's
trending
it.
down because it ain't never broke this low. You feel me?
Yeah.
It's been
It
trending
is
up
like-
because look, we broke these highs. So now, realistically, it's retesting this whole move that it just did
Yeah.
between 4 to 7, which I understand. Right? As long as it don't break this low, we're still in buys, which is why you see me buying. But this right here was the fuck up. Because had I just took 50 here, we wouldn't have been in this. This would have probably been a retest.
Yeah. But it's gonna. I don't trust the buys from here. I wouldn't have been in this shit anymore.
I trust it. But
How many did we lose the last trade? Yeah.
yeah, we broke even one, and then we lost one. So we're at 330 down.
You recording where we at?
Yeah, I'm recording. We like 37 minutes in.
Like just the stats.
Oh yeah. So we got 2 break evens, 1 wins, 3 losses.
Come on.
Come on, W here, man.
Yeah. That shit gonna fuck around for like.
But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades taken, and if we lose this trade, we'll only been down as much as 2 trades that hit our TP. You feel me? So we'll be down probably like $500 if this trade lose.
How much is in this account?
This is just 100K. Because they only give you 100K accounts to start with on these simulation shits. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this trade look like it's about to lose.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, they go to M.
See, like I really see this shit, dog. Like,
yeah, this is April 1st.
Stop.
Huh?
This is April 1st, so you probably, if you was trading at this time, you probably seen this.
No, I'm just saying. I'm really just going based off what I'm seeing right now. I ain't see this it go live. I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas are really good, dog. I don't know what the problem is, dog. I see this shit. Like I feel the market. I understand where weight. It's like weight. It's like energy. This shit needs energy to move in whatever direction to go. To gain energy, it needs.
Order filled.
That's me right there. We broke that line. All right, 50 only. I bet you would give me more than 50, and I'm gonna be pissed.
No, you're not. You're gonna be happy you took your 50 because that was a spicy entry.
It's an inverted head and shoulders right here.
Oh, yeah. Good.
That's why I took it. That's why I was fast with it. Damn. Oh, it's the retest. Okay. Well, you might as well speed it up to see if it's gonna fucking get it to me.
Nah. You already speeding it up.
Yeah, it's at 50 seconds. We at 8 o'clock.
This man be you paying them trade, boy. Let's get it.
Come on. Fuck. Give me the 50.
Yeah, it's telling you to take
That's
your-
it. No, that's it. It's gonna get. Ah! I knew it. I knew it. It's gonna give me that one. Okay.
Good spot to turn around at.
Okay. Okay.
That one
What
right
you
there.
what you
Oof.
feeling? What you feeling?
I feel more biased,
I
but
feel.
it,
I
it
feel
needs
that
to
too.
crank that high over there, but it got enough juice to get it up there. No, if it ranges from here, it's good. I love Rangers because that's energy. It can't go where you wanted to go without niggas buying and selling
Okay, this
and
is it
getting
right here.
fucked up.
I might take another one. You
So you
feeling
never
it?
buy?
Yeah.
Nah,
If it
and
W
that's the
here.
sweet. You gotta wait for the sweet.
Alright, I'm gonna let you sweep, but if this give 50, bro, we gonna see. Cause I was gonna wait for it to break these highs, and it ain't break them, so.
See, gotta wait for the sweet. Somebody got swept. Looks like it got swept. All right, that's the last. That's the last little bit it can go
This is the
before the
last
reverse.
imbalance. Is it gonna touch it?
No, it's gonna go down there, honestly, but it can.
It's
If that's the case,
9:26. It's 9:26. It's about to be 9:30.
that sell pressure is kind of strong. I need some buy signals.
Remember this, we need price to break underneath here for it to confirm sales.
Right.
Right now, we're just in like a fucking range, so we're trading a range.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like
We're
this
waiting for the
W.
new range.
Order filled.
Oh, you took it already?
I wanted this.
Let's go. This shit's set up for 50 ticks.
Yeah. I have it always set up for 50 ticks. Oh, we tapped that top. Now, can we tap this and move? Which ones is we gonna respect?
That's the move I want. I like.
See, because
right
it swooped down and it grabbed the imbalance. You feel me?
Yeah. The sweet. Yep. Now it's creating new money. So we're stuck in another range.
Nah, we gonna get our 50 first.
Okay.
See? Oh, we were so close! So close! We were so close, Scurvy, look!
You said what?
We were so close. Look how close it got to the TP. It ain't break this top.
The stop is 50 ticks too?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a great stop.
That's why I told you I have a great stop loss. I have a great take profit. I just need to stay disciplined. Cause look, if you see my trades, we're gonna get close to 50 or 50. You feel me? We done took what couple trades in this range. If we win this trade, we'll be. Oh my God. Make another W. Smack the 50.
This is good money right here.
Like I said, this is good money. I hate this range. Give me the 50 and then look, it's a W right here.
It's gonna grab that sweep. It's gonna sweep and put you a little bit red. But if it does that, you know it's good money.
I need to just need to stay disciplined because 50 is where it's at. Oh, why is it so close to the 50 and not getting it? If I had got in a little bit lower, we would have got the 50.
Yeah,
Like right
around
here.
there, yeah. But this is good though. This is still good. Range is good.
Matter of fact, since this was so close to 50, I'ma just go ahead and put this shit at break even. We ain't gonna lose no money.
Yeah, I fucked with that. But
Target filled.
there you go.
Ah! There
No
you
sweat
go.
this time.
There you go. This is another entry right here. If it retail, okay. Super drop.
Big, big sweet.
Big fuck you to the face. It gave us the TP and dipped. I'm fuck with that. For what it's worth, I give you what you need. Satisfied. It's not breaking these highs though. All right, Kirby, we only down $95, and we were just down 500. So we got 250s in the span of a little bit of time.
Mm-hmm.
It's 10 o'clock.
This man got me trading on a good while.
Well, if you change it, it's gonna fucking give you those gaps, and I don't fucking like the gaps because you can't see what you're doing after that. You feel me?
Yeah.
But you can catch 50s on the floor, quick on the 4 chart, quick.
Big sweet, big sweet. Not strong enough. Saw sales.
It's coming down to here. We could have caught. I could have caught that. Got 50 off of that. Let's see. Yeah, I could have got
Yeah.
50 off of that. This the buy
All
zone.
sales.
It's my buy zone right here.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Ah, I'm fucking pumped out.
Damn.
I pressed it, but it fucking filled it late as shit.
Because you got that shit going times 4,000 though.
It's going times 10.
Don't you hate when you see where you're supposed to take it at?
Bro, I was
and
just
you
saying I'm supposed to go there.
And you want to leave and then look. 66 later. 36 later. Yeah, that's not real right here. It's me right here.
Stop filled.
This real life right here. What? That's real shit right here, boy. Maybe I can still get some stuff. Like, damn.
Order
It was just
filled.
up.
That's it right there.
You got in that. Oh, same place? Oh, you wildin'. You just said you don't take trades from you ain't gonna do that again.
It wasn't supposed to be up here. It's supposed to be right here, but it's moving pretty quick. You feel me?
Oh my god, man, just happened.
Yeah, I just said I ain't gonna lie.
You like, if I ain't going in the same direction.
See, that's why I'm back testing so I can fucking get this shit right.
Get it out of your system now, yeah. Gosh, please. Okay. Whew. Push. Somebody getting swept. Okay, good. Just chill. Yeah, see the buy's looking buyish right now. Ugh. It's like why is the entry the fucking such a certain like a hurtful like entry always be at the cusp of green. Let's over. Hold it. Oh my god. In my soul, I feel like this shit's always gonna be bad. What time is it? Okay. Damn. Them niggas gonna be ranging here all day.
It's 10:49, so they might be.
Oh, okay. But at least it was kind of a decent push higher.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that first spot back there, so comfortable back there. He would have grabbed it earlier.
Mad I didn't catch that fucking sell. But I wasn't even looking for the sells. I need to be more flexible.
Especially when you can't really triple, especially on the floor too.
Yeah,
But
on the floor chart you gotta be flexible, but you also gotta be disciplined.
mhm.
To be fair, we ain't lose more than $600, but we ain't gain more than $600. We just back and forth. If this trade wins, I think we'll be back to like almost break even. Come on, give me the 50. You see what I'm talking about the 50s though, right?
Yeah, for gold.
You get the 50s or close to the 50s, at least on this
Target
410.
filled.
Look, you get them. You just need this shit to range so you could just keep capitalizing on the 410. You feel me? We only down $106.
He didn't even come for that. So it's gotta keep pushing.
Cause we ain't break the lows.
All right. Finish getting them highs. So this is a good. This is a good buy.
Order
Was
filled.
was we be needing to get that shit at the bottom of that range.
We only what, 5 ticks down? I don't need to get
Okay.
the bottom. I just want to get the right direction. Ugh. That's what I want. I want the right direction.
Ain't it?
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Let's see who we got the bottom of this shit.
This is it right here.
Order filled.
I feel it in my jeans. Even though this look like a head and shoulders now. Never mind.
I mean, you got that green line protected.
Nah, that green line do not matter.
This shit dead.
Yeah.
Nah. You can't close it. You gotta let it rip.
Word. Shit gonna get clapped. But
No. The green line is holding on strong.
my mistake is we ain't break above this, so I shouldn't be marrying buys. We still like this is still the 5 to 1 minute. I'm over here marrying buys.
Green line done said, hold on, y'all both.
Man said green line don't fail.
Green line locked in.
I'm dead. All this showing me is I have a great way to stay break the fuck even.
You know how to break that's a still work for somebody. Come on, green line.
Green line gonna fail you, bro.
Green line.
The
That's
green,
what you was looking for right there. That's all you.
nah, the green line was tapped already. That's why I'm like, it's
It
gonna
Stop
was, it
fail.
filled.
was tapped 13,000 times.
My
That was
problem,
the.
this is my problem. I ain't see the fucking cells. I was supposed to just leave this box here, drag it over, and that's the cells.
Yeah. Because we ain't get no highs for us to be looking for more buys. Uh,
Let's see if I can recover. It's 1 o'clock. I mean, it's 11 o'clock.
Order filled.
That shit wasn't supposed to be that low, but it's cool.
Target filled.
Damn.
Stop, Phil.
Target filled.
Oh. You had to the sell?
Yeah. To the imbalance. Well, aiming for the imbalance.
Nah.
So if my bias wasn't buy this whole day, we would have ate on some cells.
Nah.
It's 12 o'clock right now. You don't see nothing?
Oh, you mean on me?
I'm not waiting on you. I was rolling a joint, but I was asking if you don't see nothing.
Uh, that shit been selling kind of egregiously.
All right, let's go to the higher time frame, see what it's doing. See, when you switch, it does this little gap shit. You feel me?
Yeah, but at least we can see a low. So now we have somewhere to aim for.
Uh,
So now we're coordinated. Before it was just looking like boy free fall over that free. That shit is nuked. That shit is dead. Market dead. That shit ain't never come. Fuck wrong with the market? That shit gonna drop. Like, hey,
mm,
you all right, big dog?
mm. Let's see if it stop
God.
right here.
Order filled.
Mmm. He was looking so promising too.
That buy was kind of strong, but it's still good. That could be considered the sweep, so this is a good run right here. Push you a little bit higher. Yep, confidence built right there. Now I'm gonna drop down just a tad bit. There you go. Baby. That's normal. Within the realm. Mm-hmm.
It's lunchtime. This might be it, man. You might get stopped. Sam is horrible.
Hmm.
It's fighting, but it's fighting up, not fighting down.
Yeah. Path of least resistance is a 7.
Not from this daily zone, though. At least I wouldn't think.
Here we go.
Target filled.
There you go. All right. Break above these highs right here. Should be confirmed buys. Four wins, five losses, two break evens.
Good.
We're at $128 down.
That's good. Fuck it.
I want to take this buy, but I'm
As
gonna
soon
let
as
it.
that candle prints out, bye.
You said as soon as it print out buy.
Yeah. It's gonna pull down a little bit. That's what it's looking like. Just confirm this break.
It's 2 p.m. now. So should we be taking trades at 2? Or we gonna keep running it up, so it don't matter. See what time we. God damn. So
Just wanted one break.
you would have wanted right here.
Uh,
If it get there, still pull the trigger.
yeah.
Order submitted.
Oh man, you
It
gonna
ain't.
come pick her up?
It ain't
Just gonna have to
getting.
come pick her back down there.
Yeah. One good 50 tick trade and we in there.
Order filled.
Alright, we in. And you see where I got our stop loss at? We good.
What do you? That's a 50 tick stop loss. That's chunky.
Realistically, if it breaks underneath here, you like, I don't want the trade no more. You feel me? So you'll have your stop loss somewhere here, your mental. But that's 50 ticks. Let's see if it's gonna get to us within. Problem I have is this right here. We touched that already.
Hey, man, I don't know if we're gonna get that blast for today.
Let me know if you want to
What
close it.
day is it? Friday?
No, it's still the first. This is Monday. It's just 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Uh,
I had this shit on 50 seconds, so it's moving a minute.
Asia's gonna buy that bitch the fuck up.
Okay, we get this shit before 5?
Nah, it's already. Wait, it's only 3:30. Okay. Yeah, shit be going. Oh well, that's Nas, but shit be going crazy between 30 and 4:30.
I don't be trying to look at the charts by then.
That shit be going wild.
See, if you master this, then you master the higher time frame. That's why I love the 4 chart. Because if you can sit through the wiggle and all this other bullshit, well, you straight. And then with these 5 micros, it's like you could win and lose. You just won't lose a lot.
Man, I'm about to say take them 40. It's gone. You gonna get it?
It's 417. You want to close it?
If you see 45 one more time,
It's
okay.
47.
Target filled.
There you go. Look, look at that shit jump.
Oh boy.
Alright, so check this out. All those trades we took, 5 wins, 5 losses, ended the day with 122 profit and 2 break evens. So that's 12 trades.
12 trades to make $122. Hey, shit. It's a good day. It's not an amazing day. But it's
Nigga,
a green
the
day.
most we lost was $587.
Mhm.
Okay, so and we still ended out green for the day. So I ain't gonna lie, these 50.
You just don't got enough money, man. That's all it is, dog. Trade with 10, dog, and trying to turn 20 into this
Bro,
shit tough.
you could do it though.
If we had 50
Bro,
bands right now, nigga, we'd be
think about
great.
it. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. If you had $100, right? You would have took 10 trades. You would have took 12 trades. You would have been
Mhm.
up basically $50. 50 to
I would have been up
$100.
$12
Huh?
if it was $100. We would have been up
Cause
$12
no, because we're
if it was
risking
$100.
$10 a trade. Our 50 ticks would have been $10 a trade.
Mm-hmm. So we would have been
Remember,
up like $30 then.
some of those trades we ain't lose 50 ticks. Those first 3 trades we lost, we ain't lose 50 ticks. We lost like 13, 24, like 30 something. You feel me? It was the last 2 that we went to 50 ticks. Might as well just lose it. You feel me?
Right.
That's why we're up 122 right now on the account, because a lot of those trades we ain't lose the whole profit. Like I said, I was really supposed to get out at a lot of areas, but we were like just the 50. You feel me? Just let it ride.
Yeah. It was already like at 4, so then it's like, nah.
But realistically, we would close that shit at our mental. You lose like
Yep.
25, 30 ticks, which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, 6 o'clock. It's 4-2 now. It should be 4-2. What you got on my 40 now, nigga? What time you gonna start placing? You gonna start looking at it at 7, 8 o'clock? We gonna just let this 6
Right.
o'clock play out? Cause I don't know. This 6 o'clock be vicious.
I wasn't even jumping the trade yet. I gotta see what these Asians feel like doing today. I feel like gold bought, so I felt like, well, you can't nah. Gold did everything under the table. It actually sold more. What
This
was the
shit,
high?
yeah.
What was the high of the day?
Let me see. The high of the day. Remember, we sold hard.
Yeah.
So the high of the day was up here. Or
What's
no,
the
yeah.
high?
That's as high as it went, was up there, remember?
So we got all that to get to before a nigga really feel like direction is gonna change. But you got room.
Alright. So look, for me, it came down to here. Created a support. It bounced. So now we're here. I want to see if it's gonna buy. Cause we just dropped hard.
It depends on what it does here. It if it okay. Okay.
God
Damn.
damn. Oh, I have this shit on 50, that's why.
You ain't even let a nigga fucking think about it.
Yeah,
I was gonna say, okay, I like the lower, I like the higher low.
I wanted the break of these
Down
right
there.
here. Yeah,
Damn.
this is the 50, but we can't count it, so it's gone. Fuck it.
Shit, God.
So now
That's
check me out. Put one of these here. So we would have made that 50. That is cool. It's 8:33 p.m. So the trade wouldn't have happened until 30 minutes ago. You see why I like this 410? You get quick stabs, boy.
some shits don't be that quick, boy. Some of them trades you had to hold for a little.
Some of them you do. Some of them you could get them. Like that last trade we took, that was like a 3-hour trade. This was a 30-minute
For
trade.
real, boy. Nigga talk about quick stab, boy. That shit seemed like a slow death.
Nigga, imagine taking that trade on the fucking 8 or the 10 chart.
Oh man, no, you can't scalp trades on. Well, on the 8 or the 10, good, but you have to wait for way more.
Exactly.
Like gold, yeah, for you to even like be like, okay, I'll take this. I think it's good with gold. You can't do this on X. You
On
can't
what?
go on a 4 chart on NAS.
Well, you cap. You go on 4 chart in any chart.
That's because you're crazy.
We could backtest NAS for you. We'll go on the 4 chart.
Yeah. It don't matter, dog. Reading a chart is reading a chart. Like, you know how to read it, you know how to read all.
Bro, that was the cleanest 50 ticks we would have ever got. Oh my god, that's another one. It's not doing no type of big retest. It did this retest.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't trust that though. In real life, it's like, damn, where all this force coming from? That's too much force.
Damn, man, we missed 2 good trades.
That's a lot of energy.
That's 250s right there. That
What time is it?
It's 9:13 p.m.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's okay. They go crazy around that time. Nice to know. That would have been that's some food right there.
Nigga, that's 2 of them, bro. Alright, so we want to see it come back to this zone. Look, it's going to the high of the day. So after that, I want to see if it sells there. But nigga, damn, we would have been up to.
The C was really when you squeeze the screen, I could really see.
Oh, see.
That's why I like to see. You get better like visual.
Just let me know when you want me to bring it back, bring it out.
Yeah.
I be going on current market structure, you feel me?
I do too. Well, I like those highs and lows, don't lie.
That's why I have this shit drawn, so we know this is the last high of the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it probably want to grab this. So if I want to trade, I need like a retest or something to happen, but it's probably just gonna keep bouncing up until it grab them shits.
Yeah, it's gonna probably bounce for like an hour. That was a lot of buying.
Bro, in an hour and 30 minutes, it probably gave 200 ticks. Cause look, from here to here, 153, almost 200. We would have grabbed hellas off of this shit. Okay, you break below.
That makes more sense. No. Let's see what it does. Let's see what the buyers do. Oh, buyers are taking their money out? Oh no, they ain't taking it.
Green line is where I really want it.
They ain't taking their money out yet.
That
If it
might
don't crack
fly.
that might be it.
Yeah, that might fly. Damn, we sped it up too much. So
Yeah.
next time, around this time, don't speed it up to fucking 50. Leave it at like 10 or 20.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. We gonna get these.
I wouldn't have took it there anyway.
I would have. This is my clean W. You know I love these. This would have been iffy,
I
but
would have took
because
gold. Yeah, anything at that range that is up at right now. No, I would need to see it go clap that high. Like spicy meat would have been taking all types of trades, but I would have got cooked a few times. But 50 ticks on this is different, so it's not that bad.
Alright, you're gonna slow it down. We're gonna put it at 10.
That could be considered the sweet, but I didn't see no highs, so I'm not big on a buy right. And that sell is looking really juicy.
That's why I put the box there.
Okay, cool.
Alright, that shit got invalidated.
Oh yeah, that shit kind of invalid. Nah, not really.
We'll see if
But
it holds right here.
that was a pretty good, decent buy, but that was a very decent buy. I don't know.
It's 11:12 p.m.
No. That downward push kind of. I need another because that buy back up. My mind is set. But even that buy back up didn't be nothing. So what's that break close?
You gonna take a sell once that brick close?
Let me see how that's moving. That big break close.
Hey, you ain't telling me to pull the trigger. Is that your entry?
Man. Take the entry. Take
Order
it.
filled.
This is a bad spot though, low key. This is my problem, dog. I be having
Hey,
problems.
that's why. Hey, I'm listening to you. This is why we practicing right here. 50 ticks is to where we wanted to drop to, though. At least one of the areas. That's a juicy sell. I see it. Listen, I see it. The only problem is these niggas done bought up. We ain't touched them highs. We just selling at a random. We selling at a random area.
Exactly. That's exactly. Touch them things up there, ain't like, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm saying. The spicy would have been like, fuck this shit.
Hey, bro, you got 50 ticks to fuck up. Let's see. It shit looking pretty good. Listen, it break these lows, you green. You crispy, money, spicy, juicy, all that good shit, bro.
Nice. It's looking mighty juicy too.
Hey, this shit looking good. I ain't gonna hold you. We're gonna see. 50 ticks.
That's a good. That's good. If it hit that, we will. It's not even gonna. We're not.
You breaking up. You breaking
We'll
up. You
probably lose
breaking up.
like 25.
What'd you say?
We probably lose like 25 to.
Yeah, because you'll probably keep your mental stop above here.
Right. Exactly.
So realistically, you're not gonna lose the whole 50. You're gonna lose like 25, 30.
Drag that shit to break even.
Right now, word. Nigga said, "Fuck that. I ain't losing no money."
None. If anything, we're gonna get the whole to the downside.
Okay. Hey, I'm with you. I'm listening to you. This one's all you. I done took hella trades. I done got us up 120 something, 122. Carry us to fucking 300, man.
Drag that bitch a little bit.
Yeah, stop loss.
Nah, not the stop. That TP.
Drag it down.
No,
Listen to this man.
no.
Move the TP.
No.
Listen.
I'm
If we don't get money on this trade, See, we would have got 50 already. Look. Now you let me know when to pull out.
Well, hover that close. Hover that close real quick. Oh, wait. I think we good. Move the stop loss.
Or the
Move the
T.
T. Move the T.
Okay.
Put us at third. Oh,
Let me know when to close it.
alright.
Give me a number to close it at.
40.
40.
Order
Close
filled.
it. Because that's a strong resistance anyway. That's a strong resistance. I don't want to. Yeah, fuck it.
Hey man.
That's me in real life though, man. Look at that shit. Don't get it. Why does that shit go?
Hey man, I'd have stole my shit at 50 and been straight, man.
Yeah. We do. Fuck it.
We had 324, we straight.
Yeah. 50 good, man. See, this is where ironing. Get the 50, Kurt. Get the 70 and ain't pick that shit.
That shit will play with you at 50.
It was just playing. See, it was just playing. He was like, "It's the middle of the range. It's definitely the middle of the range.
It might want to drop lower.
It does, but it's at a strong resistance. I saw the resistance too. I was hoping it like crack that shit, but it was like,
We had 12 o'clock. At least we got the 300.
can't be mad at that. But right now, I
I
don't know
like
where
this
that
area.
is.
I like this area to buy from, but I like this lower area better.
It's about what the market feel like doing. Right now, it look like it don't. It's gonna respect. Is it respecting this? Can't talk. We can't. But I'm still looking for sales though. Like if it pushed just 10 more, 5 more, grab that little area, then I know we looking for that pullback. Almost. That'd be my problem. I'd be like, I saw 78. Let's get 90. Nah, man, let's get 100. Let's get 150. Nigga, let's get rich. Nigga, fuck.
Bro, that's my problem. You see, listen.
My FOMO is profit. That's what my FOMO is.
You see, I did that shit earlier and it came back. You ain't gonna always win them shits, so then you start to fuck yourself up.
But that hold, boy, look at that shit.
That shit would have been good, but you said 40. You probably would have held through the 40, but you said 40.
I would have held period. Like, fuck it. Put it at break even. I should that shit at break.
You did put it at break even. You just said at 40, kill it.
Yeah. I wanted the whole move.
Listen, I ain't mad at you, but you said kill it at 40. Yeah, I killed it at 40. See?
You right. Fucked up, man. I fucked up.
Nah, you ain't fuck up, because if it was me, I'd have only got 50. We'd have just been watching this shit drop. Because I already learned my lesson from trying to hold the first time. So we got one. Remember, 2 50s, and then we hold.
Yeah, but this one was kind of like a good hold because of.
It's not, because we buying up. Remember, we're on a buy trend, so this is degenerate as fuck. First of all.
I mean, it's a buy trend, but it hasn't touched the high.
Exactly. Which why the sell was kind of iffy for me. Damn, I wanted to touch the fucking. Come on, touch it.
You ain't clapping nothing up there. If you can't clap, you gotta clap something.
Kirby.
Something gotta be clapped.
Kirby. We right here with it.
That was the best bio they did in 8. But it ain't good enough for me.
Nah, don't break it, man. Come through.
Smash.
Let me know if you want to buy before I buy, because my buy is this blue line.
That's your buy right there.
Yeah, it touched the green line.
I wasn't buying nowhere near that. That's a strong sell, but that's a reaction. It needs some money. Need some more money on the table. Ain't enough bread. Everything's been paid back.
That's why I want the blue line, because at least the blue line gonna tell me. See, the green line is where I wanted it to touch.
We dunked it all, boy. Dunking hot. See that? See, we gotta pull the screen back. We can get back the whole. There's some real lows going on down there.
Well, we already know. That's why we got it marked up. We already know these is the highs, and this is current price action.
I'm just saying I should have held that big. That shit.
We had it drawn out. You just said 40 ticks.
This is the demons I'm fighting. I didn't know 2 + 2 = 4. That don't mean I'm going.
Alright, my shit changed. I don't want that blue line no more. I want the green line.
Yeah, nah, that's what I said.
But remember what I said, 50-50 hold. So we got one more 50 before we can hold. Stick to the guns, because then we have leverage.
Yeah, go. You see, I hear what you're saying.
Bro, I hear what I'm saying. You see, I plop my shit out and I be like, I ain't gonna hold you, homeboy. This shit look like a great
All you do is you want to let it do what it do. They go play like rivals.
Order filled.
Okay, good.
And you buying already?
I wanted above this green line, and it broke above.
That was enough. That was all you needed.
It ain't break no lows, and it started to violently push. So that's what I wanted to see. I want to see
I feel
now.
that. I
This,
smell that.
you feel me? And then look, this is the low it came to. We got two other lows. This is the lowest low. 50 ticks is under this first low. So I'm hoping it bounces off of this and confirms it and pushes up. You feel me? 50 ticks is at this wall right here.
If we get to that wall, we might as well get to that brick up there.
I
All the way
want
up there.
I want up here.
And it's gonna range. It has to make that trip back up. It gotta range. That's a big trip. It needs energy.
I feel like it took enough, but it might not go all the way up there. It's 1:27 a.m. It's about to be London session.
Right. See, it needs fuel to make that trip.
Stop
It's got to
fill.
do a sweep,
Damn.
and we need a sweep, part of the sweep. That's why I like. It needs more energy.
Oh my God. It's not it's not even on the fast one.
Going in our range from the lowest level.
Alright, so it broke Asian and London lows from yesterday.
Oof.
So what we gonna do? Hold on. It's gonna buy again. Cause it ain't look where it bounced at, the green box.
Mm-hmm. That's a good yeah.
Alright,
That's still a good buy.
we just need to
Yeah,
find the area where it's gonna retest at. Right here. Find the area to retest at.
I still don't test it out. Yeah, for the retest, okay.
There or down here. But it ain't never come back down here for all the other ones every time it do it. Look at this shit. This shit gone. You should have bought up from here, pussy.
Don't worry, bro. That shit's gonna fall back down. Make examples out of niggas. Your real line up is the next one. That border. That's the border to crack right there. The one that you like.
This right here.
Retest. That shit buying, bitch. That bitch buying, bitch.
I knew it was a fucking buy, bro. It just fucking spiked the fuck down.
Back, we're gonna buy. Once it goes to that previous high right there,
You gonna,
it buys.
I agree with you. Now here's what I want to know: are we gonna hold this buy?
The one that's gonna touch this line right here.
Yeah.
That would have been the buy right there.
Mm,
Yeah,
that's up to you. I'm not sure. I want here, but it might buy off of here. I want here.
Well, if we break this high right here, we in. Even though I don't like that kind of late.
Order submitted.
Oh wait, no, that's sell.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Not one.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
That way, if it fly, we get put in.
Mm.
Remember, I told you I want down here, but you want here, so you like this area.
Yeah.
So let me know when to buy.
For the bottom of the range,
Let me know
but
when
nah,
you want to buy.
I ain't buying it. That ain't happening. I don't trust that shit.
And that cell look like it go hard.
Yeah.
All right, so
It don't even make no sense.
it broke that
Close that.
box. Are you gonna touch this?
That shit just moving crazy. I need to see that shit past those eyes for me to. Oh no, that's pressure. You pull the screen out.
This is Gold's signature fucking move right here. We
You
just
see the. Yeah, that's a sell, blood. That shit's selling. Somebody gonna get swept.
I almost forgot to tally.
Uh, I don't trust that back.
You want me to delete the buy stop? It's
I feel like
250.
it's gonna get there and then dart back to the bottom.
If it makes this
Cause it's a
W,
ring.
if it makes this W, I like to buy. But I want that box at least. If you could, you would get rid of me. What you wanna do when a nigga gotta go hard? Your 50 ticks is probably gonna be underneath that W if it makes it. Cause I am and I will. I got to go hard.
I'm tired. Yeah, it's already 2. Yeah, I mean that shit then.
It's 2 in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
2:54 a.m., not 2 p.m. Remember, we only on April 2nd. We started April 1st.
Right.
We only took one trade for the new day so far. Damn, I wish we caught these buys over here, boy. We would have been up.
Okay.
This shit is edging the buy stop.
Order canceled.
$6 was great. This shit about to get melted. Yup. What a sell. Did it just do some crazy shit? Better.
Horrible entry.
Order filled.
Better one. Perfect. 3 a.m. in the morning.
Oh.
3 a.m. in the morning. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's make it back, baby. Give it to me. Come on. You ain't trust my box.
Your box?
Yeah, you ain't trust this box down here, but I trust in my box.
I ain't said nothing.
Give it to me.
I ain't trust that top box. I was like, that's kind of sketchy. There ain't enough energy for that.
Come on. Give it to me. 2 claps. Come on. Let me make back the money I lost. Give it back. Uh-huh. Come on, baby. Oh. Come on, man. Don't do that to me. Oh. I'll put you a break even, baby. I don't play that. No, I don't play that. That's just such some bullshit shit for you to do to me. For you to just give me 47, 48 and then yoink my soul like that.
This is good.
This is not good, bro. Look at this range that we're in right now. Give me my 50. Give me my 50, let me get the fuck out. That's all you gotta do, man. Just go here. That's it. Look at that. Look. Edging my shit.
Target filled.
That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, pull the screen out. Oh, about to get it. About to take another one. About to get in another buy.
Let me know when you ready. I made our money back, so I don't feel bad no more.
We come out of this box. First box print.
I like
First
I
one that
like a
print.
retest right here, but it's cool if you let me know when.
It looked like it's print.
Order filled.
All right, Buddha stop
Move it
to like 25.
to where? To 25? Halfway?
Yeah. Matter of fact, move it to the blue line. Get ready to drag that.
You want it here or you want it up more?
Nah. You know what? I think we need it to that green line.
Ah, you don't want the 50 no more? You feel something else?
Pulling it up to the green line, yeah.
So move it. This one or this one up here?
To that closer one.
Okay.
And then
Where my pen at? Let me write my one. We had 6 dubs. Kirby about to make us 7 because we believe in him.
no, what is it doing? No, too much energy.
It did that shit for me too. Remember, you was like, "Nah, it's finna get there. I like this."
It's good. All right, get that here. Go grab that. Grab that target for me. Grab that target.
Let me know in the closet.
Target filled.
Drag the top door.
Order filled.
Go to the new one. Dang. Late. Oh, fuck it. Ooh, see what's being greedy? See what's being greedy with a bit?
You better fucking take your 50 or take your blue line.
Hold on. This is good stuff. Oh, we out already, though.
Yeah. Alright, so we're up 597 right now.
You good? Yeah.
We are up right now.
Yeah, a little bit. Should just move the TP up.
Listen, you see how these 50s be smacking? Bro.
I'll take the 50s. Fuck it.
Now that I'm seeing this, I ain't gonna lie. I see the purpose of the 50s.
Mm-hmm. But when the 50 is in a nice range,
it's great.
Because that was a good line to put it at. Look where it hit. Green line. And immediately.
It did.
But I wanted to go to the green line higher. That's why I'm like, take it up. Move the target.
Alright, see, now our next trade we could hold past 50. Cause we up 500.
Yeah. Alright. Next trade is probably gonna have to be. Damn, dog, this would have been a lot.
Hey, nigga, use your psychology, bro. You gotta.
You're right. That's my problem.
Cause see, if it look, cause look, if it come back to this green line, you could basically retake the trade where you got out at.
So that shit dip right there just a little bit. And then stop back the fuck up. That's okay. That's what we're fighting against. The FOMO. Like if we could have trail to stop. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
And move my shit up just like 20 ticks in profit. It would have did that little dip down. I'm like, dang. But then it peeled back up. Hella high. And it look what that.
It's 4:38 in the morning. It's about to be New York session.
Pull the screen back a little bit. See me. Not pull it back, but that is ooh, that's a good sell. I mean, that's a good buy.
It was. So what you thinking?
I need a break of this box, but I need some more energy. You know, I think we should just wait for ranges.
That's
You
what
don't
I'm.
see a range.
That's what I'm waiting
We
for. I really wanted to come down to this green line, or at least down to here.
You see when we get those ranges, it sets up big moves. Both times
It do.
on the left side over there for that sale,
Yeah, I see that.
and
That's
over here for the one that we just got.
yeah.
Every range sets up the move.
Even when we were here, look.
Range set the move up. See, this gives me confidence for buys. Because it has to, you gotta fix some of this. You gotta pay for.
Baby gonna curse me out if I don't eat today.
You don't be eating anything.
It's not that I don't be eating. When I be home, I either be playing games or fucking doing other shit, and I forget to eat. But that's cause I be fucking raiding and shit. Like I said, I was supposed to play New World, but I told myself I can't play no video games until I get at least this shit out my way. So I need to know. Like I know the strategy slap. You feel me? It's just I feel like I'm probably doing something wrong, either Russian trades. Like, okay, now that this played out, I now see I shouldn't have took it. I shouldn't have took this trade up here. I should have just waited for down here. You feel me? So that's little shit. Do I want to take this? Of course I do.
What, the buy?
Yeah, but I should wait for down here. But that's my setup right there. That's one of my setups. It broke the high. I want to see if it plays out. It's 5:30 in the morning. I would have tried to took that trade trying to rush to work. You feel me?
Mm. Yeah, that those buys ain't strong enough. They did all that buying already, so you got to remember they already did.
Yeah, they did a good bit of buying already.
It needs energy to buy back up. Most people want to sell this, so that's probably where the market is going.
Well, let me know what you want to do. I would like a
I'm
buy, but this looking
gonna.
like a sell.
I need to see something get swept, and right now it's not looking like that low down there. I need that lift out and that low down there
What you need to
before.
happen to that low? Cause I ain't hear you. This shit going in and out.
You said what?
I say your mic was going in and out. I guess the echo in the background is your mic is picking that shit up. Cause I ain't hear what you said you wanted to happen to the low.
I need this to. I need to see some sweeps. I
Okay,
need to
okay.
see that like I see that. I need to see something get swept. Some lows get swept or some highs get swept.
Okay.
That high right there is the one that everybody wants. It's juicy, but that sell is also a lot of money. So you're gonna have people fighting. But whoever wants that high right there knows that it's a higher high they gotta go, which is harder to do lows down here. So somebody's gonna get swept, and I feel like these highs gonna for the sell. We gotta move this money. Right now it's stagnant. It's good where it's at. Because we know we need to get those high. It's close, but we gotta fill those orders down there. We need to build that energy. How we do that? Debate range. Range.
Look at where we at right now.
Woo! Let's go, nigga. In 2 days, nigga.
2
2 days,
days.
48 hours, no sleep. No sleep, dog. 48 hour trading,
You could
bro.
do this. You could do that with like a band though. As long as you just throw 5 micros, cause you only losing 250 a trade. You got 4 chances to not fuck up. Now,
Yeah.
granted, we got down to 500, but now we positive 597. So realistically, you up like what 1500 on an account.
Mhm.
You'd have been sweating though. You would have been sweating
Yeah.
when that
That
shit
could have
went.
been the setup right there.
Let me
But
know when you want to place the trade. I don't got no
I think
certified signal. I ain't gonna hold you because look,
yeah,
look, look.
that's what it is.
In my mind, I'm doing this, and this is holding. So it's telling me it want to keep going up. It's building support.
Yeah. Somebody needs to get swept. I don't know
So
who gonna do it.
if
So I'm just
somebody gets
waiting.
swept to the downside, we should at least see this box right here, and I like that, or at least this. I would love that. Girl, this pussy talk English, Spanish, and French. Bro, we stayed in this area for 3 hours, bro.
Damn.
I wanna fight you, bitch. I want the fucking apple.
Did it finally move?
Mm-hmm. Just a little bit. And now it's
Oh,
coming right back up.
you would have bought from here, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to see if it's establishing support.
Mm-hmm.
Remember,
Nice.
I want the green line. I'm just giving you a visual of where it needs to sweep.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Push
just
past
time for
blue
me to
box.
go home.
Oh, you lost it.
We ain't lose it. This is where I want.
Oh, this is where you want to buy from.
This is one of the areas. This is another area.
I'm not we lost that sale. Remember, yeah, shit gone.
You
This
ain't let
another spot.
you ain't let me know where you wanted to sell from. News must have came out, cause why that
Shit
shit
gone.
moving so fast and I only got that shit on 10 seconds. That shit dropped all this shit in like less than 5-10 minutes.
Yeah,
47.
they had to fill the orders up, dog.
Okay, this is an area I like. Oh my god, I wasted too much time.
Yeah, man, lost a lot of money. The sales, dog.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna take the next one. I see it. I'm taking. Fuck it. Would have been up right now.
I'm supposed to get in down here. This is my entry right here.
Oh man, I'm about to lose.
Stop filled.
Yep. Is it gonna break? It ain't breaking these lows.
Man, you might want to take it. Fuck, man, missed the sale, man.
That shit happened too fast.
Order filled.
She did it fast. You got back in there quick.
It's the W's, bro.
It
Where
didn't
my
even. It didn't even beat nothing yet.
See, it ain't break this low, and it made a W there. So okay, I understand why I lost here. I should have just waited for this. Feel me?
Mhm.
I should have just
So,
let it. I should have just took the 50. This is one of the ones we could hold.
yeah. But that's a long route. And it's already trending.
Come on, give me right here. Give it to me right here.
I miss my damn setup, man.
Hey, I made it
Oh,
back for you on the buy. Fuck, I'm ready to get out.
we better hover that close, but close at 50. But okay, good, good, good.
I'm ready to take my extra bucks and run, boy.
Yeah. I think this. This, what's it reacting off of, man? We might need to double up
These highs right here. Double up on what?
on buys. It still got room to go.
Order filled.
Let me stop fighting it.
Let me zoom in on the map a little bit. Zoom in. Before we lose this buy. Ooh, what looks like that? Like I said, let me take my winnings. Take my
Facts.
shilling.
I'm over here being picky about getting a little bit more than 50. That shit don't want to give it to me. Fuck it. I'm going to take it. I lost money. I
I'm
lost
balling.
money and now we back up. We 637. So we over what we got.
Oh, what is wrong with me? I see 55. I'll be like, let me get more. Dang.
There it goes, giving the TP now, but it's cool. I made 637. We was at 5 something. I made 100 and something dollars more after losing. Oh wait,
Mhm. Fixed it.
look at that shit. Look at that. It made my money back. I just might as well wait for my zones that I see fit, man. Never learn my lesson. Is it
Zoom out real
too
quick.
late for me to come home?
Ooh. Yeah, we buying. We looking for buy. I like that.
Nigga
I
said I
like that.
like that.
We looking for buys.
See, I'm not
That's
scared to place the buy. I'm just scared to watch that shit go my way. But I know I always have a general area as to where I want it to buy from, and I realize I need to wait for these patterns, but sometimes it don't give the pattern.
Mhm.
Am I supposed
You
to just
always
say fuck the trade?
nah.
Exactly. So I'm like, fuck. It's really respecting this shit right here.
Yeah, I don't know how you moved it. I'm like, oh no.
You're cursing. I don't know how you moved it, bro. That shit really Gucci.
Yep, it's building up some more cheese.
Let me know when you want to press a buy
Mm-hmm.
or a sell. It's 7:50 in the morning. Baby, I can put you on jail tonight. Even on a tragedy for once.
Okay. See, it's in a weird place, right?
It looked like it's ranging.
Yeah. Somebody gotta get swept. Buyers ain't doing not yet. You ready for this?
Let me know when.
Hold on. Let's see. Because if we get these, if they bottom, they're going all the way down to that blue. So we taking the sell. Okay, we taking this. Taking the sell.
Order filled.
This is a strong point, though. I probably shouldn't have took it here. I should have waited for that green. Ooh, oh, get ready to get us out of the.
Let me know when to close.
Yeah, close us to it.
Order filled.
Should have saw that as energy.
I should have bought off this fucking W right here. I seen that. Damn.
Damn.
I seen this W form.
Yeah, I don't know what I saw. I knew it was sweet. It's definitely a sweet. It was definitely an. I already said it was nice. That shit was definitely a sweet.
Kirby over here giving our money back. Let's see. It's gonna be
I'll take it.
this one gonna be risky. I feel a buy coming up.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same shit.
Shiny lit Leo. Where you at, buddy? Okay. Damn, do I want to buy here? It's probably gonna push from here. Where to touch? It probably will push from here.
Order filled.
Damn, it moved too fast, though. And it's that good ass buy, though. Mount Revenge.
You was really pressed about missing SL that bad?
No, that buy.
No, I know, but you wanted to sell that bad?
I don't know.
I told you I was looking for a buy. You told me sell. I'm like, ah, damn, Kirby got trapped.
And I know I was paying attention. I'm paying attention.
Let me know when you want me to get out.
No.
Oh, Shane Biswell. What I gotta do for you to put it on me?
Breaking these lows right here again. Trick on trick.
Your Judah, baby, your Judah. That's a clean W too.
Yes.
That's where I would have taken my trade right there on that W. So basically, me and you in the same trade because that's my entry if I would have got in late.
These niggas hate.
I was supposed to close the trade. You still want me to close it? Kirby?
Uh, shit to that blue box.
Order filled.
That.
Alright, we at 286.
That.
It's what, about to be 9:30? Let's see what 9:30 holds. Watch this shit fly the fuck up.
For real. Hell, that shit.
Mmm.
The nerves get me.
Mmm.
Let the nerves get me, dog.
Mmm. All the hell this 'cause my W. Where would I be at? Let's see. Where my 50 ticks be at? That's 60. So I'd have been somewhere in here. I'd have probably caught this. But we
Yeah,
straight.
if we even get out.
That's cool. That's cool, man. Don't let that shit beat you up, bro. It's just nerves. That shit wiggled so much.
Order filled.
I might get caught in this break. Oh my God, what a whip.
Stop filled.
Damn, I'm just losing us more money.
What the fuck?
This is it right here. This is the green line. We gonna see.
Take it. Don't take it yet.
I was waiting for the break of these high.
We doing the wrong thing.
We
Can't
are,
be
we
taking this
are, we
shit
are,
back
we
to
are.
back.
Yeah.
Just chill. Let it move. God damn.
Order filled.
I feel it right here. Damn.
Don't press that shit. Don't press that first.
I wanted to press the
Stop filled.
reverse. It's cool. I see where it bounced off of here. I see it. I see it now.
Oh man.
I see it.
About to get
Oh, there it go.
it's coming. Hold on. Just yeah. Hold on. It's making more money, man. Market just made some money. Like, hold on, y'all, boy. Shuffle this shit up real quick. Damn. I finally watched the Kaido fight
That shit was
yesterday.
fire, wasn't it?
Order filled.
Not the Kaido, my bad. The King. King versus
Zoro.
Zoro, yeah. That shit was hot, man. Oh boy, can't deal with no more though. The thunderstorms. Let's go. Please get back in that pocket. Might need to drag that shit up. Uh, you might need. They going for them highs.
You think so?
Yeah. So that's my motto. The buys is always going for the high.
50 is at the green line.
That's 50.
Yeah.
Just grab that.
So when we really wait for our trades, we don't lose. But when we get the fucking clicking,
It should start dodging you, dog. Like it knows, dog. It knows. They spent billions of dollars training AI, training people, hiring the best to create this algorithm. Oof. Hit first TP. Move it to that line up. Yeah.
all this is proven is I just need to stick with my 50, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Look, 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 look. I can't even say nothing. I'm supposed to been be out.
Stop filled.
Mm. We down $95, Kirby.
Damn.
We would have been up had I took that 50.
Yeah.
Order filled.
That's crazy how it came literally just to take a nigga out.
Mm-hmm.
Literally just to take a nigga out.
It definitely did that.
See?
But see, here's the thing. I could have took 50 and then still got back in. Because
I
if I get another 50, that's 100. That's 100 within two 50s. You feel me? As opposed to holding for the 100.
Same 100.
It's the same 100 it is, but you done caught it rent free. At least you done caught that shit 50-50, but you caught your 100 and your head straight.
And it's a new green line. About to double up. Where your teeth go? Okay. Okay. This stuff kind of low.
Yeah, but that's 50 ticks. I know if it breaks underneath this box, I'm trying to get out.
Right. You don't even need to be all the way down that big.
Right, but you see how sexy 50 ticks is on the 410 chart. You
It's
got
a lot of room. It's so sexy for real.
you got room to
It's like you
breathe.
can breathe. Dang.
Yeah, this one looking bad.
Yeah, I have to go back up, dog. It gotta go back up, dog. What y'all wanna buy it, man? What a big picture at? Let me see the big picture.
If it break below here though, I'll be inclined to sell this motherfucker because that's a Head and Shoulders.
Oh, there it is. See, what up? Had to tickle it. Just had to hold it a bit.
Mm-mm-mm-mm. Shit playing games. See, it's forming a
Yeah.
Head and Shoulders.
Somebody about to get swept.
And it might pull this low to come grab this.
Oh yeah. It might still. You
Or
could
down
say.
here.
I don't know. I want. Saw you, big dog.
I'm gonna see.
I don't like how they came and just stopped us out, just to go back in our direction now. It's all good.
I don't like that neither. I can't wait till coming over turns to moving in. Come on. Show me the power of the motherfucking 50, baby. Come on. Mm. Mm-mm.
Stop filled.
That shit happened fast as fuck, too.
Dang.
And look where it touched. Exactly where I said it gotta go grab.
Man,
We down 352.
we gonna fix that shit right now. We ain't got no choice. You recording this, right?
Yeah, I'm recording this.
because we need to know what we fucking up at. Like we know now, right? But we need like that journal of this is what fucking up looks like type shit. So it could be a constant reminder.
The fuck up was buying up here when this right here was just more sexy. Because then we would have got the 50 up there. Okay. I understand it now.
Because it already grabbed that up there, that high.
Now it's finna go and probably try to move straight through. I have half a meaning to fucking buy this shit up here for the break. But I feel like it
Yeah.
want to sell.
We need that shit to break that high before this box for me to feel comfortable.
What, this?
Because it's barely even breaking that one right there.
I knew it was gonna do that. Okay. You break the highs, I want it. But if you make an M here, I kind of want to sell too. What you think, Kirby?
The buys are sexy, but it needs to sell for me to that buy is gonna be real. If it keeps buying up, it needs to pass them highs for real. Every test. Right now, I'm not feeling. I don't know what it's doing. It looked like it's.
Creeping up.
Mhm. But what lows is it gonna? It's gonna buy. But what lows is it gonna come in? That green, that second green line. And if it gets that, we need a big picture.
Damn, I've chickened out. I was supposed to buy right here.
I would have took the bottom for that other
Order
high.
submitted.
If they break that, beat that last one, retest it, then I'll get it.
You want this to be broken. It
It
already
pretty much
broke it.
did.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good. It's got good news.
So my problem
Great news.
is I either get in too early and I just need to stop holding. Cause this right here was a great trade. This right here was a great trade. This right here was ass. But if I just waited for this, I'd
Turn trade. Like, oh, this here, I need something going back down. This is perfect for us for our buy. But it needs to start selling now, though. Sheesh. Nigga said, well, you should have took on a candle.
mm,
You said it.
mm.
I then. Candle close. That's my new thing now. Fucking candle close. Brick close. Take that bit.
I told you I wanted to take it. I just chickened out right there. I literally chickened out right there.
Check it out too. I was supposed to take it with the box that I wanted. But I don't know where it's going. That's why I'm like, other than that high right there, I don't know.
Shit up there, that's the problem.
Mhm.
I don't think it's shit up there.
There gotta be something up there. Make the screen small.
Alright, hold on. Let me walk back to the computer.
Hey, what's the high? What was the high?
The day you leave, I never love again. That's why I say ain't nothing up there. Cause if we up here,
Mm-hmm. There you
look.
go. Damn, see? That's what we could have done, man. That's what. Yeah, but if I did that, we know where. No. So yeah, put the screen back.
Gold ain't going up that high no more.
Mm-mm.
There you go.
Order cancelled.
Hit the top of your
What the?
box again.
It did. Gosh. Whiplash. I couldn't even say what. Jeez.
Mm.
Watching the show, I forgot. Guess, I guess it's gonna make some money right now. This is a sticky place right here. You turn around twice in this spot.
Oh my God, this shit tastes good.
Julian,
Some cookie two step
I don't know what that is.
ice cream from Bluebell. These niggas decided that they want to cater to the biggest of back people.
The biggest backs of backs.
Bro, why they make cookies and cream ice cream, right?
Mhm.
And put cookie dough in it.
That's not even a big packet, but it's regular.
That's crazy.
Nah, those Ben and Jerry, they go hard. Ben
Bro,
and Jerry,
we used to
they
buy
got like
them.
the
We used to buy Ben and Jerry's, but Bluebell copied all their flavors and made it better.
Ben and Jerry got a laundry list.
Mm-hmm.
They peanut butter shits. They peanut butter
Mm.
ice cream is so fire. Salted caramel
That's my shit right there.
should be busting, bro.
Fuck
Order
it.
filled.
Let me stop FOMO. Let me stop being a bitch. Come on.
What's a dying dog?
Kirby.
It don't got no reason.
I'm like, are you seeing this?
It's a dying dog, bro. You're gonna
Order
have to take it
filled.
out back. You closed it? Dang.
50, my boy.
You doing the right thing. See, you teaching me shit. I gotta see it every fucking time. You see that? Like every time I'm about to forget. I got a problem. I need to put a 56 on my wall. I need to put 50 ticks everywhere, bro. But I would have let that shit melt.
I mean,
Cause
you could.
they don't got no reason to come back up. That's the high. That's the highest of the high.
You could. But
Bit gonna melt. So I gotta learn 50. 50. 50. 50 tits.
trying to hold is what got us in this deficit right now.
Yeah. Black lessons right here. Stop trying to hold that shit. Unless you got a hold that shit.
See, we was down
Stick to the
300.
rule,
Now we down
man.
110.
Two fifties, one 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. No more deficit from here on out going forward ever. So we gonna set up for this sale.
250s,
Well,
100.
250s, 100.
Bro, we're only down $110. We got,
Yeah.
let's see, 10, 15, 16, 18, 19 trades. 19, 20, 21, 22 trades locked in. So in 22 trades, we only lost $110 off negligence and dumb shit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad I'm doing this though, because I'm seeing where I just need to wait to get in it. What you thinking, Curbs?
That shit so fucking.
It look weird, don't it?
Uh,
I don't want to grits the fucking chart by switching to the higher time frame. Shit gonna look like too much skips. But we know we at the top.
I just want you to like zoom out a little bit.
We at the top.
See what?
So
Uh,
remember, we at the top.
look at that! Look at that! Look at that buy trend. That shit's so crazy.
Mm-hmm.
But it's getting tighter and tighter.
I missed my
It's
entry.
gonna go.
I missed my entry.
Oh,
I missed my entry. My entry was the green line.
shit! Could have been the box. Box was perfect.
Order submitted.
But
See if it come back. Oh, it's 2:13 p.m. Let me kill this shit. Hold on.
Order canceled.
Kirby, you say you want the box?
I would have took the sell from the box. Yeah.
Order
Trying to understand what
filled.
the fuck going on. Buy pressure is strong.
I look to you. Have mercy on me. Come on. Come on. Let me earn this trade so Kirby can hold the next trade, please. Come on. Come on. Good, Jimmy. Don't be pussy. Don't be pussy.
Gotta drag that bit down. No. 50.
Target filled.
Already fucking up. The end of the day is 2:30. You talking about dragging it down?
Because, man.
And if it
You gotta
reject
go
right here,
back.
if it reject right here, how you gonna feel?
Yeah, I know. That's why I said no. Don't touch it. Just say it, fool. Like,
No, ain't no just saying. Stop making excuses for bad habits, nigga. We
You're right.
just said 250s and then you go hold. I just earned 250s. You go hold the next trade.
You know about me having a real problem. Alright.
Look what it's doing right here. You wanted to hold.
You see what?
Look what it's doing right here. You wanted to hold.
I didn't want to hold. I fixed it quick. As soon as I said, I'm getting better, bro. Like, it's quicker reactions. That's what I'm working on my reps, bro. 50. I just ah, 50. Damn. What is wrong with me? Jeez. This be for real, dog. I'll be like, damn, I'm up. Wow. Yeah, bitch. I start talking shit to the market.
Yeah, talk shit after you close the trade.
Yeah. Dude. What time is it, man? I don't know. 30, 4 o'clock shit. What day is this? Friday?
It's 4-2 or 4-3. Nigga, we ain't even through the week yet.
Nah.
Nigga, we only on the second day. On the bright side, we're ending the day where we started off at. 136.
Yeah.
Positive though. That's crazy. Nigga Kirby said, yeah, we gonna drag that shit down.
Yeah.
Look what it's doing. Is it dancing at the 50?
Mm-hmm. I'm glad it kicked in this time. I gotta fix that shit, bro. Where's my pen? It's
To be fair, it seems like if we keep catching 50s, right, you never really lose. You'll lose, but you'll never go over $500 loss. Because you're going to catch like 2-3 50s.
mm-hmm.
If you take 10 of them a day, you're going to catch a good amount.
50.
Nigga Kirby trying to hardwire his brain into 50.
It's hard.
Who you telling? I loved hundreds, boy. You remember that.
And it takes 50 ticks, man. 50 ticks.
But look how easy it is to grab 50 than it is to grab 100.
For real.
Damn. Go ahead, go roll your joint. Take your smoke break. We done hit the 25 trade mark.
Shit, I've been rolling up the whole time. Been smoking the whole time. That shit's just building up cash right now.
Is that it's the end of the day? What'd you expect? It's like what? 327, about to be 330. It ain't going nowhere. I love this though. All this shows, I be right.
Mm-hmm.
I just need to slow the fuck down. I can't take everything, but as long as I mark this bitch up, like, here's the thing. Me doing this shit solely on the 410 chart, reason
Mm-hmm.
being, right? It makes life harder. Makes trading harder. Cause everything you're doing on the 410, you just gonna go on a higher time frame and do. You feel me? So if you can do this shit while it whiplash, quick as fuck like this, you could definitely guarantee yourself however much you want in a higher time frame. The higher time, see, without looking at the higher time frames, I'm finding zones that I would like to buy from. And as you can see, majority of the time, I'm right at where I want to buy from, wrong at the time I need to enter. So, there's only two ways to beat it. One of the ways I refuse to do. So, I'm going to either have to sacrifice the loss, or, because the first way to beat it is to extend your stop loss.
Yeah, but we don't want to do that.
Exactly. Which is why the second way to beat it is to either find the perfect entry on the smaller time frame. Because what I mean by extending the stop loss is, let's say you have an area to interest on the 8 chart, or the 10 chart, or the 16 chart. You feel me? But that box on that time frame is instantly like fucking 100 ticks plus. 70 to 100 ticks. You feel me? You don't want that kind of deep ass stop loss, especially on a small account.
I'm trying it out. I ain't got no choice now. I gotta do smaller time frame. I can't let it just run till I get the bag up.
And that's why we practicing these shits, because as you can tell, you can catch about 12 to 15 trades a day. Is it going to be good trades? That's up to you. Because if we count how much W's just played out, it's probably only like 5 or 6. Like, look at this shit. On this uproot up, we had 1 trade, 2 trades. This makes the 3 trade. This makes the 4th trade. All of those gave you 50. $50 times 4, 200. 200 ticks with however much. 200 ticks is what? With 5 contracts apiece each trade, 50 ticks a trade, that you looking at $2,000. No, $1,000. I'm lying. I'm cap. Yeah, because 100 ticks is 500. You catching 4 trades. Yep. And then see, at least this way it keeps trading exciting, because you finna quick stab, move about your toy, quick stab. With me and you placing trades, we still positive 100 something. God damn. I remember this.
What the fuck? This is some Trump shit right here.
Bro, this is 4:17, bro. This is happening in literal minutes. 4:18. Look at the time. 4:19. We just moved hundreds of pips in 3 minutes. 4:20.
That's that Trump shit right there. That's that tariff talk.
It's not even 5 o'clock. Look at that shit. It's an hour, like minutes before market close, and we moving like this.
Yeah, that's retarded.
And we ain't go nowhere. It did. That's April 2nd. It just did that shit, right? We wasn't looking at the market when it did that.
What? nuts.
I only went back. I only went back as far as last month. So we at the beginning of the month. We just wasn't looking at the market when gold was doing this. You probably was working or doing some shit.
Mm.
These times that we see, as you can see, God damn it!
What?
At 4:30, nigga, this shit just happened in minutes, bro.
What the fuck?
I'm letting it play out. I'm not touching this. You would be a fucking evil man too,
To get into this shit?
bro.
Nuts.
I'm only moving up 10 seconds. So imagine how fast this is moving in real time.
That's that Trump shit right there. Niggas just like, what? We're raising the price of gold. And to bring it up past normal, look what it had to do. Drastically sell to make enough money to go for that push up there.
You remember that green box that we drew out at the beginning of our trading session? Shit ain't never break that fucking green box.
Never, not once. Didn't even want to. It wasn't even thinking about it. And look, just because it go crazy doesn't mean it's not gonna what it's supposed to be doing. It's still gonna do what it's gonna do anyway.
Yep.
And still no respect.
What time is
Like
it?
at first dip, look where it dipped to a respectful line, to a
Yep.
respectful place.
See where I had
And
that
shot
box,
back
that
up. Look where
line?
it came back up to. Came back. And look where it came back up to. Still expected. That's crazy. But this is because that's crazy that shit like that. That's nuts. At 4 o'clock.
That whole hour was fucking crazy. Bro, you realize we're 2 days profitable, right? 2 days we ended green, even though it was only $100-something.
That's crazy. That's crazy that shit moved like that. But I know people were going crazy when they seen that shit happen in real time. Like, what the fuck? I do need a break. I need to go order some.
I'm over here eating ice cream like that's gonna do me any justice.
Yeah, I need some. I got $20 DoorDash credits.